how to turn on mobile hotspot on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on mobile hotspot on your Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and here you'll see the option labeled as portable hotspot. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section at the top, you'll see the portable hotspot option. So here to turn on the hotspot, you just have to toggle on the switch just beside the portable hotspot option. And here, if this is your first time using it, you can set up the portable hotspot to customize the hotspot name and password before enabling it. And once the hotspot is turned on, other device can connect using the hotspot name and password shown on this screen. And that's it. That's how you can turn on mobile hotspot on your Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.